Guys, as my last day in DAWKI, and I was thinking of showing you Lamin's guest house, where the owner has been hosting us for a long time, as in like friendly wise, not money wise. But I want to give you a look. How does it look? And we have Vishnu with us, who will be taking us to the guest house. Let's go, Vishnu. Lamin Guest House is located at the main road in DAWKI, near the Kali Mandir, or you can say in the taxi stand itself. Finding Lamin's guest house is not a problem. So this is how the guest house looks. Let's go inside and find out the procedures. The guest house has a car parking area of 5 to 7 cars and 8 to 9 bikes. This is the entrance of the guest house, and the rooms are available in the first and the second floor, and the ground floor has the restaurant and the kitchen, which I will be showing you at the end.
This place is neat, man. Yeah, it is.
This is the reception, where you need to register with a valid ID card, and once registered you will be taken to the rooms.
Let me check the room first. Come on.
Is this the room? Alright.
Yeah, the rooms are always neat, man. Yeah. Let's check bathrooms.
I think they have 2 people's bed here, and
Okay.
they have a wardrobe or TV.
Check toilets.
Let's go and check the toilet.
Yeah, okay.
The toilet even is very clean, quite spacious. They have a proper washing commode
I like it.
and a basin in this room, and this is basically one room set where
I like it. I'm going
2
to
people
stay
can
here.
stay here easily, right?
Yes, yes. 2 people can stay. A couple can stay easily.
Isn't necessary that it has to be couple. Anyway, let's find out the other things in this hotel.
Let's see.
What is this? What is this side? Okay, we went to the.
Bro, do you have
So they
outlets?
have.
Do you have outlets?
Wait. I would like to introduce to Mr. Lamin. He is the owner of this lodge or guest house or whatever you're saying, and he is going to be showing.
Yeah, I want to see down room. Please.
Okay.
Show me down room.
He's going to be showing a double room to Mr.
You can also check this out. We have family suite type of room.
Family suite.
This is a family suite type of room. All right.
Yeah, okay, it's a family suite.
Good for
This looks
family.
like a proper drawing room.
Okay.
It's a 2 BHK flat.
Okay, it would be enough for a big family, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Also on a vacation.
So next time you come with your family, you can always take this.
Okay, it's nice. It's
There's
good.
one more room here.
One room here.
It's good.
And
It's good.
wow, this looks very cozy.
Yeah. It's good.
2 people can stay in this room, right?
4 to 5 people.
4 to 5 people in the complete suite. 4 to 5 people can stay.
A family can stay. A family can stay.
They have a kitchen. They have a drawing room. And if you guys want to come here and work for a long time, you can hire a place like this, and Lamin will give you a good price for that. Anyway, this is their staff stay. All the member of this hotel stays here. If you can see the look of the, what do you call this?
Let me just show you a view from here. Let me just show you view from here. Yeah, it's good. You also have a ATM facility here.
In this floor, total how many?
Total 2.
3 rooms. One is a proper family one, and one is like.
This is a twin bed. The other is a single twin bed. Then people couples can live on the same bed.
So what do you have it below this floor? Can you go
Which
there?
is also the same.
Also the same. They are the same.
Frame and the same setting.
So overall, a suite or a double room like this, how many do you have overall?
We have 2 of the twin beds.
This is a terrace in a 3rd floor where you can come and hang out and smoke and whatever you feel like doing. And there is also a triple room in this 3rd floor. Let's take a look. The room looks something like this. As you can see, there are 2 beds where in one bed 2 people can sleep, and in another bed there is 1 people can sleep and 1 person can sleep, and there is also a TV. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is very clean. Lamin Guest House also have rooms for budget travelers in the first floor. Room looks something like this, and there are 2 beds in each room. Now let's head towards the restaurant. The restaurant is located at the ground floor and has a good sitting area. Let's take a look.
Do you have a restaurant facility?
This is their
You can see this.
cafe maintained by very neatly, and let's take a view from here. Order anything and the things will be given on your plate. So Lamin, I would like to sit somewhere and discuss something about the rates, like how much you are giving to Mr. Vishnu and anyone basically. Here are few questions Vishnu asked Chanmiki everything about Lamin's guest house and DAWKI. By the way guys, this handsome guy's name is Chanmiki and his surname is Lamin, to be precise. Now let's proceed with the questions.
So tell me, Chan, what is the best time to visit DAWKI?
The best time to visit DAWKI would be from the month of October till the beginning of spring. That would be the first week of March. During this season, the river is very clean. It's since there are no rain, so.
Tell me, Chan, what are the options we have available to stay in DAWKI?
In DAWKI we have multiple options. So one is you can always stay in a room, you can take a guest house, you can take a lodge, you can stay comfortably. Or if you're more into adventure, you can always stay in the river with camping tents. Then you can have a bonfire at night, you can have barbecue party, and so on and so forth.
Okay. But
and there are also cottages nearby the river, which people often stay out there. If they want to experience more of the, wildlife adventure.
okay. Tell me, Chan, what are the food options we have available?
We have Indian cuisine, Chinese, and the continental cuisine.
Can you walk us through your kitchen?
Yeah, sure, please. This is the kitchen, you can see. So these are the 3 slabs, or the cooking slabs. This is Cam, that is Jerry, and that is Ryan.
How do you like the kitchen?
Yeah, it's very neat, well maintained.
Contain?
I think they're steaming momos.
Yeah, you can see momos. That is how momos are done. You can see momos. This is how momos are done.
Yeah, we're in process here.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I think even the kitchen looks very neat and
Neat
clean,
and well
and it's
maintained.
quite spacious for the staff. And I think pretty
We
fine
have
with
the
the kitchen.
kitchen rules. You can see. You check it out for yourself.
You can see the flickering thing here because the frequencies are not being met. Anyway, these are some pots in the kitchen and kept very nicely. And let's move out from here, and we'd like to wrap the video with one more question, and that will be asked by Mr. Vishnu from Hyderabad.
How much do you charge?
Our rooms, it depends on the season. We have opened a website with an algorithm, that detects the demand and supply.
Okay.
So the price fluctuates from time to time. But you can always visit our website.
Okay. What is your website?
It's www.laminguesthouse.com. So after the rates are given, the pictures are there, and every information you need about what we can.
Can you spell the website?
LAMINGUESTHOUSE.com.
Okay. Thank you, Lamin.
Thank you, sir.
Alright guys, this is how you host a client. It's just a trail video, and anyway, this what I'm speaking right now I'm not sure if I am going to be giving it in this video or not. What I am speaking, all these guys' video will be out. So what I'm saying is, you have got all the info of this guest house. If you want to come here, you can always call or go through the website, so that you can contact to the
Or else
admin directly.
Or else you can directly check in.
Directly check in, as you have already got all the information here in this video. Alright guys, so this is how we wrap this video, and I'm gonna be giving, and Vishnu will be giving a review of this hotel in their website and even the social network platforms, and you will be able to know the overall things. Bye bye for now. You wanna say bye guys?
Bye guys.